I have this new practice where I start off my day with gratitude, and I just want to say thank you for clicking on today's video. Today, we're going to be reviewing the new and improved formula of the HD Makeup Forever foundation. They reformulated, and I want to talk to you guys all about this foundation because if you love the original, you're probably going to like this one as well. It's been some time since I've used the originals, so I just want to share with you guys my thoughts in regards to this foundation. They also sent over a setting powder, a primer, a setting mist, and a foundation brush. So we're going to go through the entire PR package that they sent over, and let's go ahead and jump into today's video. I do want to say before we get started, I would really appreciate if you click that subscribe button and also turn on post notifications so that you get notified every time I have a new video here on my channel. You don't want to miss on any content from me. We're going to be makeup besties here. Now let's go ahead and jump right in. So here is the Makeup Forever HD Skin Foundation. This is the updated formula. This actually launched a while back, but I'm just getting around to reviewing it for you guys, and I wanted to do that because I've actually already played with this foundation and I love the coverage. It's very difficult for me to think back on how much I liked the original. I remember really loving it, but I don't remember the coverage because it's been so long since I've actually worn that foundation. So I'm just going to share with you guys my honest thoughts in regards to this foundation here. And I also want to talk to you guys about what I'm seeing on the website and what it claims has improved. This new version of the iconic Ultra HD foundation is powered by technology that enhances performance and I can't pronounce this word, and undetectability. Okay, gotta go slow. For skin that looks like skin under any light. And that's what I do remember with the original. This foundation looks like my skin, and I love that. Now that I'm getting older, I just love more of a natural coverage. I don't want to look like you touch me and you're removing makeup. Like, I want it to look like natural coverage. I want it to look like my skin. I don't want to hide the skin that I'm in because I love it. It claims that it's going to instantly blur. Liquid foundation that blurs and covers imperfections for up to 24 hours. It's powered by a micro skin system that syncs with complexion for true to skin finish. Yeah. All right, and then it says it's natural finish. It's comfortable and easy to apply. This medium to full coverage natural foundation flexes with your skin for no caking and settling into lines. If you're over 30, you know, we're starting to get little crow's feet, little lines here and there. It's not going to settle into your lines. These are the claims of it. I'm going to share with you guys my thoughts as we go into the try-on portion of this video. And then it's also waterproof and sweat-proof. The HD skin contains no animal-derived ingredients. It's another word I can't, gotta say slowly. Non-comedogenic. I'm gonna put it on the screen. It's waterproof, sweat-proof, and comes in more sustainable packaging. What I am seeing from this, it is a glass bottle like the original, and the top of it has changed in color. The HD Skin foundation before had a black top. That's what I do remember. The HD Skin bottle is recyclable and is made up of 40% recycled glass. It also has FSC carton and biosource cap. All right, that's a lot of info right there. So now let's go ahead and talk about why they reformulated. It says, why we created this foundation. We transferred the iconic Ultra HD foundation formula to be even better than before. With the new revolutionary HD Skin, this foundation is available in new and existing shades to improve upon the current range with technology that ensures it stays true to its tone for undetectable coverage that lasts up to 24 hours. Now that we have all of that information out of the way, I'm going to go ahead and proceed with applying the foundation. Well, first let's go ahead and jump into the primer. This is the Hydro Booster Step 1 Primer. This is a 24-hour base Hydrate Perfectis, perfecting and softening base. It's supposed to give you 24-hour hydration. And let's get this on the face. You guys see that? It's peachy right there. That really smells nice. It doesn't have a strong scent by any means, but it does have a really clean scent to it. Definitely feeling the moisture in this primer. And then today we're going to be applying the foundation with this foundation brush here. This is the foundation brush number 109. and it has a very unique shape to it. You guys see this? It's kind of like thinner. Let's try it out. The shade that I'm going to be using for the foundation is the number 2N34. Does it have any other name other than that? Yeah, it doesn't have like a name. It's just the numbers and a letter. 2N34. We're going to go in and shake the bottle a little bit. I'm going to apply a few pumps to the back of my hand, and then we're going to go in with my finger and apply it all throughout the face before going in with the brush. The remainder of the foundation that I have on the back of my hand, I'm going to go in with the brush and just apply it to the brush, I guess, whatever. And now is a moment of truth. We're going to go in with this brush and just apply the foundation all throughout. I think this color really complements my skin tone. It is the perfect shade for me. This color, from what I'm seeing on the website, is described to be the color Honey. This is meant for somebody that has medium to tan skin tones with neutral undertones. And again, this foundation claims to be medium to full coverage. You can definitely build up on the coverage. This is normally the coverage that I'm most comfortable in. It looks like my skin. Now I'm getting a better look at this foundation, and it kind of looks like it's not a good undertone for me. Am I tripping? No, it doesn't. I also am reviewing this foundation, and you guys can see that I'm not getting the best coverage right here. Again, this is normally the coverage that I like. I don't mind little imperfections showing through. But we are going to layer on this foundation to see how it builds up with coverage. I'm going to take some of the foundation on the brush like this, and we're going to go into this area, see what kind of coverage we're going to get. I poked this shit out of my eye, but this brush actually works really good, and it works with the shape of my face. Like, it hugs, and it, like, I don't know, it works really good. Now you guys can see I definitely got more coverage from right there. Definitely need some bronzer, but you guys are seeing what the color Honey looks like. The name Honey is not on the bottom, but on the website it is called Honey. Now I'm going to brighten up my under eye using a concealer. This one that I'm going to be using today is from Urban Decay. It's called Quickie, and I'm using the color 40 CP. I'm taking my concealer brush from Frankie Rose Cosmetics. This is the concealer number 91 brush. I'm going to get it all over my eyelid as well, just because my eyelid is kind of like on the dark side. I'm losing pigment there. And then I'm putting the remainder of the concealer on my chin and also on my forehead. I really have to warm up my face, so I'm going to go in with the Frankie Rose Pro Contour palette. I actually just worked with them recently, and I didn't know this about this contour palette. These contour shades right here are like foundation powders, so they're very pigmented and they're going to give you great coverage. I'm going to take this shade right here to just bronze the face, and then we're going to sculpt the face using this color here. I'm going to take a more condensed brush like this one here. This one is from Luxie. It's the small contouring brush number 512. I received it in BOXYCHARM one year. And then, like I said, I'm going to go into this dark shade right here to really sculpt the face. And this darker color, I love it. Do you guys see that? It kind of gave me like a little cheek lift. I'm also going to apply it to the temples of my face. And I always have a discount code with Frankie Rose in my description box. So if you guys want to shop Frankie Rose, you will get some money off of your purchase using my code down below. It's just my name, Tracy. And let me know if you guys do decide to pick up anything from them, because I definitely recommend their contour palette. It is everything, and their brushes are also very high quality and they're affordable. So now that we've warmed up the face, I do have to set my under eye. I'm going to be using the Makeup Forever HD Setting Powder. This is my very first time trying this powder, so hopefully it works out. This is in the color Banana. And banana powders are known to help brighten up your under eye. We're going to see what it does. Here I'm using the Sigma F35 highlighter brush. I really like using this brush to set my under eye. It gets into my fine lines and it really locks it down. I'm also applying it to this cheek area where I tend to get very oily through the day. Applying it to the forehead. And now I'm going to lock it all in using the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix 24-Hour Hydrating Spray. This gives you 24-hour setting power, 24-hour radiance, and 24-hour hydration. I just realized that I forgot blush, but I am reviewing a blush. I'm filming 2 videos right now, so I'm going to go ahead and do my eyebrows, my eye makeup, apply blush, and lips off of camera. I did my complexion with you guys. I'm going to come back shortly to give you guys an update on how this makeup is holding up. But before I get off of camera, let me show you guys a close-up of what this is looking like right now. It looks beautiful. The foundation color is not my match, in my opinion. So yeah, but anyways, we made it work with some bronzer and some contour. So I'm going to film another video. I'll come back with you guys to do a final check-in and see how my makeup is holding up. All right, I'm back and I just finished up my eye makeup. I put some lip gloss and I got some on my teeth, I think. Got some lip gloss, some blush, and my skin still looks so beautiful. I don't know, is this a new favorite of mine? I think so. Girl, we made the color work. It was looking a little ashy, but we made it work, and I'm not mad. I'm going to have the foundation linked down below in the description box if you guys are interested in purchasing it. And if you do decide to purchase through my link, I do earn commission, which supports me and my kids, and I'm just very thankful for your support and also just showing up for me today. If you do have any questions for me, leave them down below in the comments, and I'll get back to you as soon as I'm able to. And I'm going to leave you guys here. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I hope to see you guys in the next one. Bye.